Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show my September spread in my bullet journal, and I do know that it's the end of September and I do apologize about that, but this is my first bullet journal. I just started and I hope to have my October spread out soon, so I do hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm actually not going to talk during most of the video because it is just drawing and coloring, and I think most of it speaks for itself, so I am just going to let it play and then I will come back at the end to talk about it. Of course, if you guys have any comments, ideas, or suggestions, you can put that below the video. I hope that this can be a safe space where we can all work on our bullet journals together, share ideas, talk about what works for us, and feel like this is a place where we can connect. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Of course, below the video I have all of my social media accounts. You can tag me on social media, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe. This helps me be able to expand my YouTube channel and we can expand our little YouTube community, so I thank all of you guys for that, and I am going to go ahead and let this play, so I will see you at the end.
Settling in, settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Ay. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. The beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning. We called it. We knew that there had to be us. We knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fuss and the fights will keep trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. And every day
Delicious autumn, my very soul is wedded to it, and if I were a bird, I would fly about the earth, seeking the successive autumns. George Eliot.
Better than yesterday, love you more today. It's gonna play out the same. I love you, babe. Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
Don't have no money, but you spend all your time on me. Talking for hours, 'cause I'm loving your energy. No matter what we do, never fails to be fun. Could be us dancing or just watching television. 'Cause you were my It's the little things you do that make me feel that you are all that I need. You get me. You look at me and say my dreams are also yours. Don't need to worry, 'cause you'll always be my support. Leave me a note on the bed when I've had a day. The highs and lows, you always ride 'em out with me. 'Cause you are my love language. I think it's time to say this. It's the little things you do that make me feel that you are all that I need. You get me. And everything in between. Always know just what I need. 'Cause you are my love language. I think it's time to say this. It's the little things you do that make me feel that you are all that I need. 'Cause you are my love language. I think it's time to say this. It's the little things you do that make me feel that you are all that I need. You get me.
Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this September spread, and I can't wait to get that October spread out for you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like this? Did you not like it? What do you add to your bullet journal? I would love to know. I would like to share our ideas, and I'm super excited to hear from you guys. So I hope that you guys tune in. If you haven't seen my bullet journal setup video, I will put it in the iCards above. And also, you guys are welcome to check out my other videos. I love to do crafting, I love to do journaling. I have so many interests and I am just excited to be able to share those with you guys. So I hope I see you guys again. There will be another video at the end of the week, so stay tuned for that and I will see you guys next time. Thanks everyone. Bye.